That is a green woodpecker call in the woods behind the garden. Every year they nest there. There's my mate the blackbird again. Not frightening me at all now. In fact, he comes down when I'm here because I disturb the grass. And where I water the plants, worms come up. It's a green woodpecker. I reckon the foxes must be coming because that's an alarm call from the woodpecker. Oh, see, got one. Cut it in. Oi! Little shit. Right, he got his worm anyway. And he's cutting it to bits and putting it in his mouth, his beak. What they do at the moment is they take the female food all the time to prove they're good. They make a good dad. So there's a female somewhere getting fed. Probably up there somewhere. See, I told you, there's the fox. Here, here. So that's why the woodpecker is doing the alarm call. Again. Two tiny little goldfinches having a drink of water. Hello. Oh, it's Biggs. Oh. Here. Here. What are you doing? Here. What are you eating? Mia's around somewhere because I saw her.